Dear children, welcome grade 6. This is our Hindi 3-year video. Already we saw the last some videos in vowels, consonant, 2 letters word, 3 letters words, and now we are going to matra. In the last video also we saw that matra, how to pronounce that a matra, e matra. So that chapter is in our book also, so that's why I am teaching in the last video. You see that some a shabd, a ki matra shabd, but we have already saw that up to a matra. In this video, do you have book? You please take out that and you listen the page number 4 and 5. This is our first lesson. Matra is our first lesson in our chapter, the book. But the lesson name is Ab tak jo tumne seekho. So but I taught him like a matra. Both are the same in our book. That is a ki matra sound, e ki matra sound in our book. You see, the first lesson is that matra, that is sound. But here the heading is Ab tak, what you learned from in last year. So that is they will given here. And now in this video, today we are going to see after a ki matra, after what? I ki matra. Some shabd. I ki matra, o ki matra, how to pronounce au ki matra, I ki matra, like that. And the last one very important things, you see the daughter letters, how to pronounce. It has some rules also. After complete au ki matra, I am going to teach about that anuswar. It is called that anuswar in Hindi, the daughter letters, how to pronounce. And anunasik, that is in a Chandra Bindu, like we know that is Chandra Bindu, how to pronounce this letter. So in these two parts we are going to learn in this video. The first one is incomplete, the last video's continuity, that is I ki matra, some words and how to pronounce, and another is anuswar and anunasik, that is daughter letter. It has some rules. Today we are going these two things in this video. First you see that this is our matra is common heading. But in our book, the heading is Ab tak jo tumne excuse me seekho. This is our book heading, but in a common heading is matra. Understand? Now, in the last video, we saw that up to a ki matra. Now we are going to learn I ki matra. You see I symbol. You know that I symbol, how in above the letter this type 2 matra is there. For example, you see ka, kai, kha, kai. Dear children, here some few letters only I am going to write because we have no time, because we are completing the lesson also. So for example, I am going to write only two letters. Chai, jai, tai, dai, nai, pai, hai, mai. The sound is I sound. This is the same. And yai, rai, lai, shai, sai, ikshai. See, ikshai, trimasik, that sound, tri and shri. Is it clear now that how to pronounce consonant with the letters joined? How to pronounce kai, khai, chai, jai, tai, dai, nai, pai, mai, yai. In a matra, simply we we are writing that only one matra like this. For example, A. But what is the difference between A matra and I matra? Here we are going to complete the two matra. The sound makes I sound. Is it clear? Now, some words also we are going to see. This one is in our book also is there. For example, let us. After complete this video, I will give to that classwork also for first lesson. I hope you all written in a classwork vowels and consonant and matra table 3 times. I hope with you. And the classwork in this video I will give that sorry, not this video, I will give in a PDF form, the Google Classroom app, so that you complete the classwork note compulsory. Now some example words. This is in our book also is there, or in a simple letters also is there. For example, in a 2 letters, baila, bail, shaira, shair, baiya, baiya. And now 3 letters, maidana, maidan, paidala, paidal. And in our book you see that some words, Airavat. See, Airavata. Airavat. How to pronounce? Airavatavat. Do you remember that in a 4 letters words how to read? 2 letters like the same. Airavatavat. And Tainata, Tainat. And Tairaka, Tairak. Next, Bairagana, Bairagan. And Etikasik, Aitihasika, Aitikasik. How to pronounce? Aitihasik. And Paisavala, Paisawala. Kailasha, Kailash. And camera, Camera. Is it clear now? For some words in our book also is there. For just your reference, I am going to write here 2 letters words. Bail, shair, baila, bail, shaira, shair, baiya, baiya, maidana, maidan, paidala, paidal, airavata, airavat, tainata, tainat, Tairaka, Tairak, Bairagana, Bairagan, Aitihasika, Aitihasik, Paishavala, Paishavala, Kailasa, Kailas, Kaimara, Kaimara. Now in our book also is there. Whenever you have free time, you please read this all matra sound. Then only you know how to read. That is very must for our reading practice in a Hindi. And next matra, I after in which matra? A, I after O. What is the next one? O matra. The next matra is O. O ki matra. How to that symbol? in above the line, one matra on standing line. This is the symbol of O key matra. You see, for example, some letters. You know that ka in on a standing line and you put like that. Already you know ka, cha. You know that A key matra. So like that you put in a matra, that is O matra. And to and tho. Next, tho, tho, pho, pho, mo. How to pronounce O sound? Ika plus O, ko. Ika plus O, ko. Icha plus O, cho. Ita plus O, to. Ita plus O, to. Ita plus to. Ita plus O, to. Ita plus O, to. Ip plus O, po. And same, ip plus O, po. And im plus O, mo. E plus O, yo. Ir plus O, ro. Il plus O, lo. Is plus O, show. Iksha plus O, show. Itra plus O, throw. Isra plus O, slow. Is it clear now? Now, and next one what? Some example words. Already I told the same thing. That the symbols and the, that is example words also in our book. See that. Before that I am going to write in a two letter words in a O की मात्रा के लिए. आप देखिए. For example, simple 2 letter word. Mora, more. Tota, tota. Gola, goal. Bola, bowl. Ao. Gobi. Lota. These are 2 letters words, for example, in a O key matra. And in our book you see in a 3 letter and 4 letter words also is there. We are going to learn one by one. First one, Sana, Osana. And Jovana, Jovan. Chauhana, Chauhan. Dohara. And poker. Next. Now 4 letter word. You see, Jodwana. Ishwana. Dear children, in few letters only I am going to write here. So, but you read and write in all the words from your book. That is for your practice. Listen one time. Mora, more. Tota, tota. Gola, goal. Bola, bowl. Avo. Gopi. Lota. Ausana. Jovan. Chauhan. Dohara. Poker. Jodwana. Toshwana. Now we are going to complete 2 letters, I and O matra, and hereafter Au ki matra. What is that? Au ki matra words. And next one what? Auki matra. You know that symbol? Auki matra? How? You put a standing line and above you put two matra like this. In a previous Oki matra, simply one matra and Auki matra, two matra ye yahan lagao. For example, let us the same. Ikka plus au, cow. Icha plus au, chow. Itta plus au, tau. Itta plus au, tau. Inna plus au, now. Inna plus au, now. Ippa plus au, pau. Imma plus au, mau. Iya plus au, yau. And r plus au, rau. Il plus au, lau. U plus au, wow. And sha. Isha plus au, show. Isa plus au, show. Next, this one is sha. Isha plus au, sow. Next, you know that iksha, show. How to pronounce? Show. And throw. Now, the next one word. The same, some few letters are about in a Auki matra example words. First, two letters word. See, sauda, sauda. Pauda, pauda. Dauda, daud. Now, three letters. Now, kara, naukar. And mau, sama, mausam. Pa, kau, de, pakaude. And next, khilauna, khi, lau, na, khilauna. And some few words were in our books, Auki matra. You see that. In a first one, ausan. Au, sa, na, ausan. And chaitanyata, sorry, daudan. Daudana, daudan. Next, chaupata, chaupat. Yauvan, yauvana, yauvan. Next, saudahar, saudagara, saudagar. And next, you see the book also there. Taulvana, taulavana, taulvana. Listen, in some words also is in our book. You see, ausan. First one, ausana, ausan. Tausana, tausan. Daudana, daudan. Aura, aur. Pauranika, pauranik. Laukana, laukana. Saunaka, saunak. Taulavana, taulvana. Chaupata, chaupat. Nautahara, nautahar. Yauvana, yauvan. Naukara, naukar. Pauna, paur. Raunaka, raunak. Hausala, hausala. Saudagara, saudagar. But here I am completed in some 2 letters and 3 letters words also for your reference. In a next one is very very important, that is what? That is anuswar. What is it called? The dotted bindu in Hindi, but in a grammatically how to pronounce that? Anuswar. That is ki matra. In our book that is written some words also. In before that we are going to learn some rules how to pronounce that dotted letters in ka varga, cha varga, ta varga, ta varga, pa varga, ya varga and shasaha. So first what the main thing is, first we have to learn that rules how to pronounce after the dot that letters, how to pronounce. Now we are going to see that. Now this is the main important that for your reading, anuswar, that is ki matra, how to pronounce that letter and words after dotted, that is the main. You see, first I am going to write the rules of that anuswar. In our book is simply they will given in ki matra ka nyan some words also, but before that we are going to learn that rules of how to pronounce the dotted letters, that is in a bindu anuswar sound. You see, that is in a like this symbol. Is it clear? So it is called what? Anuswar. What is that? Anuswar. See, for example, we know very well here I am going to complete one letter in a ka, in dotted letters ga, na. How to pronounce that is ka varga. First we are going to listen that what letter the first that started. See, after the dot, that is ka, ka, ga, gha. This one how to pronounce, that is ing. We know that in a before video, the last first beginning video, ka, kha, ga, gha, nga. In a Tamil letters also I written there in like this one. So here that is ing. What is that? Ing. How to pronounce? First ka varga, ka, kha, ga, ga. In after the dot, the sound how to pronounce? Ing. For not only this first one ka, ka, ka. For all the ka varga, 4 ka is there, no? Ka, kha, ga, ga. That is after the dot, which letter they come, that is sound should be, see, what is that sound? Ing. Because here also ka, ga, ka, ing, ga, na, kangan. Is it clear? And next one, chacha varga. Ma, in, ja, na. See that these also after the dot, what? Cha, cha, ja, jha. In after nya is there, you know very well. Sorry, in Tamil. In this one, nya. So we have to read the sound inj. What is that? Inj. See, you keep it in a mind. In a kakka varga, that is sound in a after the dot. We must pronounce the word letter, the dotted letters ing, only for ka varga. In a cha varga, after the dot, the dotted letters inj, only for this rules in a ka varga, cha varga. Ka varga dotted letter should be how to pronounce ing, and cha varga inj. And another one, tata line, a in da, anda. You see that the next first you listen ma. The second letter you see in a ga varga. You don't see the first letter. That dotted is in a first letter they kept, or in some book also in the letter in the middle of the letters. To between the two letter, the dotted will printed in our book. So first we must see, we concentrate in a second letter ga and ja, here da. So this is the rules. In after the dot only we have to after the dot. Here I am going to tell. அதாவது dot க்கு அடுத்து வர letters after the dot. இந்த ka, kha, ga, ghaவா இருந்தால் என்ன படிக்கணும்? sound ing. நல்லா புரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க. டாட் க்கு அப்புறம் வர letters ka வர்க்கா இருந்தால், kakka வர்க்கா இருந்தால் ing. And after the dot cha varga, cha லைனா இருந்தா, see cha 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 ஞாவா இருந்தால் inj sound. And next one tata varga, that is also in after the dot. You know that ta, tha, da, dha. You know that. So after the dot the letter is printed in a tata varga. The sound should be, you know, this in. So the sound in, but only for we are going to listen for only dotted sound letters. So a, in, da, anda. Next one ta varga. See here da. This also after the dot tha, tha, dha, dha. How to pronounce the after the dot sound? Ind. Ind sound. What? Ind. See, su, in, da, ra, sundar. First we concentrate in a where is the dot. After the dot which letter? Ka varga letter or cha varga letter or da varga letter. So if that printed the letter in a ga varga, no, how to pronounce that letter? Ing. If the ja letter, cha letter, cha varga letter, no, how to pronounce it? That sound should be inj. And ta varga, no, that is in sound, and the in sound. So after the dot these ta varga they are printed. We have to learn the sound how. Ka varga ing, cha varga inj, ta varga in, ta varga ing. And next only two more letters, that two lines, yara, lava and shashaha. See that in a sa, im, yu, itta, samyukt. Here ya sound, ya letter. That is in a ya, ra, la, va. That is after the dot. If yara, lava is there, no, the sound should be how? Im. Ma, in a two lines the sound should be, we concentrate in that yum sound in a papa, ba, ma line also, and Yara, lava also. And next one, sasaha. In sound. This one, sa. After the dot, sa, sha, sa, ha. If after the dot, if these letters are came there, no, then how to pronounce? In sound. Is it clear? Now listen. Some, sa, im, you, ita. First நம்ம மைண்ட்ல என்ன வெச்சுக்கணும் அப்படினா டாட்க்கு அடுத்து என்ன லெட்டர் வருது? கக்கா வர்க்கா, சச்சா வர்க்கா, டட்டா வர்க்கா, தத்தா வர்க்கா, யாரா, லாவா, ஷஷாஹா. இதுதான் நம்ம மைண்ட்ல இருக்கணும். அப்படி கா வர்க்கு, சா வர்க்குன்னு வரும்போது ஒவ்வொன்றுக்கும் தட் இஸ் இன் செமி கான்சனன்ட் சவுண்ட் லெட்டர்ஸ் நான் எழுதி போட்டிருக்கேன். So we follow that rules, then only you read very easily and without mistake. Is it clear? Now we are going to see some words in a 2 letters words and 3 letters words. See, first in a simple 2 letters word. In our book some only few letters, for example 6 letters only there is. So in before I am going to write here some 2 letters and 3 letters words. See, very carefully you listen. After the dot, which letter there came? G, ka varga. So if ka varga, no, then what is the sound in a dotted letter? Ing, ra, ing, ga, rang. Is it clear? Now, after the dot, which letter there came? Da, tatta, dada line. So if tatta, dada letters is there came, no, the sound of this dotted what? In, ja, in, excuse me, ja, in, da, janda, and ga. After the dot, which letter? Ga, kakka varga, the same kakka varga. So the sound should be that in a bindu letter, that is in a dotted letter. How to pronounce? Ing, ga, ing, ga, ganga. Next one. See, after the dot, which letter there came? Tatta varga, tatta dada line. So in tatta dada varga, what is that semi-consonant letter that is in a sound of this dotted letters? Ind, sa, in, ta, sant. And next one. Va, in, the, na. See, after the dot, the same tatta dada varga. So the sound of this letter, dotted symbol sound, how to pronounce? Ind, va, in, the, na, vandana. Next, pa, ta, ing, pa, the next letter after the dot, ta. So the symbol of this dotted symbol sound, ind. Sorry, here not there. Sorry, here. Pa, ta, ing, ga. See, after the dot, here in the middle of the letter, the symbol, that dotted letters is printed. So how to pronounce? After the dot only we have to concentrate in which letter that came, that printed. So ga. So pa, ta, ing, ga, patang. And next one, sha. After the dot, which letter? Ka. So ing sound. Sha, ing, ka, sanka. Is it clear? Now in our book also some words is there. You see, a, in, the, ra. How to? After the dot, which letter that came? Da. A. So the da line, what is the semi-consonant sound? In, a, in, the, ra, and that. Next one. After the dot, ba. Ka, im, ba, la. Because already I told no, that is in a baba line, papa line, in a im. Ma, you don't worry, that is that the rules I will give in a classwork, so you copy that one. Now you will listen very carefully. Ka, im, ba, la, kambal. And next one. The, in. After dot, which letter? Da. So, tata, dada line, in semi-consonant. Da, in, da, dand. Next one. Cha, in, da, na. After that, da line. Cha, in, da, na, chandan. And next some words. Kankan, Punjab. Ja. See here. Pa. Here, ja. The after the dot, which letter, which consonant? That is ja. So, cha-cha line, in semi-consonant sound, the symbol of the dot. So, pan, pa, in, ja, ba, Punjab. And last one, kankan. See, 2 ka is that. You don't confuse that. Ka. After the dot, which letter? The same ka. Ka, im, ka, na, kankan. I hope you understood this one. In a rules that I told us some rules. After the dot, what is the sound in a symbol of the dotted letters? So I give in a classwork, so you don't worry. First you listen very careful how to pronounce that dotted letters. Ra, im, ga. First you see that what is the letter after dotted letter? Ga. So kakka gaga vadu ing sound. So ra, ing, ga, rang. Here also ja, after the dot, da is there. So the da da line, in sound. Ja, in, da, janda. Ga, im, ga, ganga. Sa, in, da, sant. Va, in, da, na, vandana. Pa, ta, in, ga, patang. Sha, in, ka, shanka. A, in, da, ra, andar. Ka, im, ba, la, kambal. Da, in, da, dand. Cha, in, da, na, chandan. Pa, in, ja, ba, Punjab. Ka, im, ka, na, kankan. And last letter, aha. That is in a what? In our book, aha sound. It is not in our book is not there. And the next symbol is anuswar. Sorry, anunasik. See, this is anunasik or Chandra Bindu. What is that? Anunasik. Why it is called anunasik? Because the symbol of the sound should be come out in our nose. So that's why that symbol is called anunasik. Nasika arthi in sound come from that our nose. So in another name of this symbol, Chandra Bindu. Is it clear? Now how to pronounce this word? In our book some words is there. See the same rules. Chand. Not a chand. Chand. The sound lightly come out from your nose. Chand. Next. Poonch. Poonch. Boond. Pav. You see, not like that, the pav. That is pav. The sound, you listen, pav. The sound lightly come out from our nose. And next, ku-a. It is not ku-a, the Chandra Bindu, the Anunasik. So, ku-a. How to pronounce? Ku-a. And next, gaon. How to pronounce? Gaon. So this symbol, it has two names. One is Chandra Bindu, another is Anunasik. Simply the dotted is called Anuswar. It is Anunasik. Why? Because the sound should be the symbol of these words come out from our nose little bit. Listen. Cha, in the rules is same. The dotted letters da, no, in there. But sound how to pronounce come out from our nose. Cha, in the, chand. Pu, in cha, poonch. Bu, in the, boond. Pa, you, wa, pow. Ku, a, kuam. Ga, you, a, gaon. How to pronounce gaon? And next one. Bansuri. What is that? Bansuri. Anguti. Anguti. Is it clear? So, the difference between the two letters, that is, it is also dotted letter, but it is one dotted and like a Chandra Bindu, so like a moon. So it is, that's why it's called Chandra Bindu. You know that moon, see, the parents Chandra Bindu. So Chandra means like Hindi moon. So there one dotted is that, so it is called, that's why the symbol is called Chandra Bindu. Chandra and Bindu. Now it's clear. So, but how to pronounce? The sound should be come out of mukh. The another word. See. Muha. Mukh. How to pronounce? Muha. Mukh is not that. Mukh. Next. Kuye. How to pronounce? You listen very carefully. The sound how to come in up from our nose. Kuye. Kuwa. Pow, like that. Now, once again I revise these two. Ra, inga, rang, ja, inda, janda, ga, inga, ganga. Listen, this sound all come from our mouth, not in the nose. But this sound, cha, inda, chand, pu, incha, poonch, bu, inda, boond, pow, payua, pow. Ku, kuam, gayu, gaon, ba, in, suri, bansuri, a, in, guti, anguti, muha, mukh, ku, ye, kuye. Now is it clear? After this video, I will give a classwork in our Google Classroom PDF that the rules, especially this is main thing of our reading for that in Bindu, the dotted letters and Chandra Bindu. So you write in our notebooks must. And I hope you very understood this class in our book also. That is so the matra A, that is R to Au matra, Aka matra is completed. And next we are going to see that lesson for a paragraph poem like that. And before that you must practice your reading, or else you don't know how to reading. Reading is very must for in a Hindi language. So I hope you all understood for how to reading in all matras and semi-consonant. Dear children, be safe in your home. Don't come outside. Our health is very important nowadays. So be carefully. Thank you. Dhanyavad.